Welcome to my channel Kinderpur. Let's learn English the kitchen vocabulary. Gas burner. Repeat with me. Gas burner. Gas cylinder. Repeat with me. Gas cylinder. Microwave oven. Repeat with me. Microwave oven. Pressure cooker. Repeat with me. Pressure cooker. Rice cooker. Repeat with me. Rice cooker. Mixer grinder. Repeat with me. Mixer grinder. Teapot. Repeat with me. Teapot. Flask. Repeat with me. Flask. Wok. Repeat with me. Wok. Refrigerator. Repeat with me. Refrigerator. Casserole. Repeat with me. Casserole. Sprinkler. Repeat with me. Sprinkler. Cup and saucer. Repeat with me. Cup and saucer. Mug. Repeat with me. Mug. Spatula. Repeat with me. Spatula. Strainer. Repeat with me. Strainer. Jug. Repeat with me. Jug. Beater. Repeat with me. Beater. Knife. Repeat with me. Knife. Fork and spoon. Repeat with me. Fork and spoon. Rolling pin. Repeat with me. Rolling pin. Glass. Repeat with me. Glass. Cutting board. Repeat with me. Cutting board. Bowl. Repeat with me. Bowl. Mortar and pestle. Repeat with me. Mortar and pestle. Griddle. Repeat with me. Griddle. Grater. Repeat with me. Grater. Plate. Repeat with me. Plate. Kitchen sink. Repeat with me. Kitchen sink.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.